scenery out here. Great scenery. See, the sun is out here enjoying it. So like I said on this channel, I'm not gonna be in the gym all the time. I promote, you know, getting out, doing different things to stay lean all year round. And the gym is not the only place you can do that. You know, you can do it while you're on vacation. You can do it in the city you're in. Go to your local park. Go to your local swimming pool. Today, I chose to come to Mt Charleston. If you're familiar with Las Vegas, you know that Mt Charleston is about 40 minutes away from the heart of Vegas. So today I decided to come out here and burn some calories. And so far, so good. So I'm gonna play some footage from today. You can just watch it along and like, comment, subscribe, and then I'll see you guys at the next video. Enjoy the content.